This 2006 Ford Econoline wagon is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Wheelchair accessibility van, Century power rear ramp, side entry, handicap van, 4.6L V8 engine, good one, power wheelchair ramp, high top extended, long wheelbase, one owner. Clean Carfax, absolutely no rust, auto transmission, only 125,000 miles, runs and drives like new. Newer tires all around, cold AC, rear AC, warranty available. Must see IT, call now or text 330-475-4817 for more picks and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals for less. Wheelchair vans: Dodge Handicap Grand Caravan, Town and Amp Country Handicap Van, Honda Odyssey Handicap Van, Toyota Sienna Handicap. Broadability, Mobility Works. When we say best, we mean it. Bank financing available. Use application online or stop by at our dealership. All trade-ins are welcome. We also welcome all out-state customers and airport pickups. CLE or CAK as well. We can arrange an